Hi, David. Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Not yet. I was thinking about going somewhere for a short trip. Do you have any ideas?
Yes. Why don't we visit the nearby lake? I've heard it's a beautiful place.
That sounds great. What can we do there?
We can go for a walk, have a picnic, and take some photos. There are also boats for rent.
I like the idea of renting a boat. It sounds relaxing.
Me too. We should also bring some food and drinks.
Good idea. I can make sandwiches and you can bring some fruit.
Perfect. What time should we leave?
How about 8 in the morning? That way we can avoid the traffic.
That's fine with me. How will we get there?
We can drive my car. It will take about an hour.
Great. I'll bring a map just in case we need it.
We can also use a navigation app on our phones.
You're right. Technology makes traveling much easier.
What if the weather changes?
I checked the forecast. It should be sunny all day, but I'll bring an umbrella anyway.
That's a smart idea. It's always good to be prepared.
Should we invite Sarah and Tom?
Yes, I think they would enjoy the trip.
I'll send them a message this afternoon.
Excellent. The more people, the more fun.
I can't wait for Saturday. It will be a nice break from our busy week.
I agree. Spending time outdoors always helps me relax.
Let's meet at your house at 7:45 a.m.
Perfect. I'll make sure the car is ready.
See you on Saturday.
See ya. Have a great day.